Hello, friends. Good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yugal Pachauri, and as you all know, that I am a researcher at IIT Mandi. I am doing PhD from IIT Mandi, and at present working as a senior research fellow in the School of Computing and Electrical Engineering, IIT Mandi. So this is my YouTube channel with the name Yugal. My name is Yugal Pachauri, but the channel's name is Researcher Yugal. Because I am working as a researcher, that's why the channel name is Researcher Yugal. And I have another channel as well with my name Yugal Pachori, but this channel is the second channel, and I have already told about you why I have created this channel, and you can find the introduction in the video, that is the stay tuned video. You can find out. But let's continue the series of our discussion. That on on this channel, I have up till now posted 11 videos, and all those videos are about the related to the technical content uh, for the electronic devices and circuits from the Boyle state. So there were total 10 videos from the book, and the one of the videos is about the introduction of my this channel. But now let's continue our series that was I was continuing from the another channel, but that channel was mixed up because the content was sometimes blogging, sometimes non-technical content. So that's why I got a feedback from the users that you created two separate channel. One is only for the study point of view. That is, I will put up the video related to the study and related to my research, and what are the technical content that I'm offering will be disseminated through the channel that is known as the Researcher Yugal. And the first channel with the name Yugal Pachori will be focused more on blogging, technical, non-technical, sort of mixed sort of content. So now I have make these two channels separate, and I got this feedback from one of the viewers and the technical people who are working in the field of YouTube. So let's start our discussion. The topic for the video is review of the Electronics for You magazine for the July 2026. This is July 2026 edition, and I will present the review of this particular magazine. Uh, Incentive amount is now fully committed. We have 12 manufacturing and 24 design project with us. He is Mr. Sri Amitesh Kumar Sinha, CEO of India Semiconductor Mission and Additional Secretary, MITI, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Uh, so, I mean, uh, this is a statement from the Sri Amitesh Kumar Sinha ji, and he's saying the incentive amount is not fully committed. We have 12 manufacturing and 24 design projects with us. So it means you all know that the government is trying to invest more and more in electronics. So that's why the additional secretary of the MIT is saying that we have more than 24 design projects and 12 manufacturing units. So he is trying to say that India is growing in terms of electronics, and this has been authorized by a statement from the additional secretary of the MIT. And what is MIT? That everyone knows. Those who are the student of electronics or the professionals of electronics, they know what is the MIT. It is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So you can see the photograph of the additional secretary, Mr. Amitesh Kumar Sinha ji. He is the additional secretary, and you can see this. His photo is featuring on the Electronics for You magazine. And friends, believe me, Electronics for You magazine is one of the certain magazine which is quite authentic, and I'm reading it from last many years, almost approximately 16 years, because I did completed my BTech in 2010, and during my BTech also I was studying this magazine. So this is a very authentic magazine. Now let move on to the another article. This is the advertisement of the binary LED aviation obstruction lights. This is the continuous advertisement that comes in the Electronics for You magazine, because they are paying towards the sponsorship. That's why their ad is there. Now, today's newest product is tomorrow's innovation. So, in terms of innovation, this statement is very nice. Like today's product is tomorrow's innovation. Like if you choose a product for certain point of view, then you try to innovate that. And so, the today's product is tomorrow's innovation. So that is from the DG Key, one of the advertiser of the Electronics for You magazine. Now move on to this is again another advertisement from Nichiji on high reliability aluminum electrolytic capacitors for every autonomous automotive system. So, there are a lot of automotive systems are available in the market at present. And we are talking about, and they need electrolytic capacitors and high reliable aluminum they need. So these are provided by the Nichicon. So you can understand from this graphics what kind of automotive products you need from all these things. It is used in motor car, it is used in motor vehicle, motorbike, motor car, and motorbike. So you can understand this. And if you want to read it about more, you can click on the link and get on the information available. So now this is physical AI for AOI. This is a sort of AI system, which is, it is looking kind of a data center or something related to AI. So AI is growing these days. That's why these articles are coming in related to the AI. Now, let's move on. This is another article, Navigating the Purchasing High Wire Act. Mauser keeps your inventory in balance. So this is another article. You can see this gentleman is balancing on this wire cable, which is being connected through the building. So it means we are trying to show some wire act with the connection with the wires or something like that. So this has been promoted by the Mauser Electronics. Now, this is the content, and one by one we will discuss about the content. So let's move on to the interesting article. These are again some assembly units, one system, total precision, complete automation. So they are automation, they are assembly for the automation. If you want to do some automation in your company, then you can choose these products and go for it for your automation solutions. This has been marketed by Daiichi Jitsu India Private Limited. It's a company which is placed in Gurgaon, Noida, Bangalore, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Pune. And details are available from this website. And the email ID is sales@dgkindia.co.in. And the website is www.dgkindia.co.in and DGK Bharat. So if you want to have some information, you can collect the information from this website. Now coming on to the important section of this particular magazine, that is a research and innovation updates. Now, research and innovation updates are something very important. And you can see this person is wearing some ring kind of structure. So this article I read already, and AI rings turns sign language into speeches. Now imagine that people use sign language and they do some gestures like this, and this, and that. They have certain coordination between their gestures. And if you follow these gestures with this rig-like chip wearable in your hands, then they can interpret the sign language into the speech. That's why they are saying that it is developed at Yonsei University in South Korea. So it is developed in South Korea. The technology eliminates the bulky gloves and wired sensor used in many existing solutions, which converts sign language into speech. So this is AI-powered smart rings. So this is important. This is AI-powered smart rings that translate sign language into speech in real time and could help reduce communication barriers for people with hearing or speech impairment. So those who are having hearing or speech impairment can actually use these AI rings to convert sign language into speech. So it is kind of a boon for the science and technology that we have the AI rings, and with the AI rings we can convert sign language into speech. So you can have more information on from this particular. You can search the internet about these things, and this is quite important that we are talking about the sign language into speech. Now, this is wireless endoscope sends real-time surgery video using light. So they are sending the surgery video using light. They have used Li-Fi technology. And with the help of the Li-Fi technology, they were able to send real-time surgery video using Li-Fi technology. And this happened in the Fraunhofer Institute for Telecommunication, Heinrich Hertz Institute in Berlin. So two institutes, one in Fraunhofer Institute of Telecommunication and Heinrich Hertz Institute in Berlin, Germany. It happened. It happened in Berlin, Germany. Institute name is Heinrich Hertz Institute and the Fraunhofer Institute for Telecommunication. So these are the two institutes that were involved during the sending of the real-time surgery video with the Li-Fi technology. So as you can see in this picture, how they're transmitting the video to the other end. Now, this is again another interesting advertisement from the IEEE Space 2000. Okay, this is not the company name. Company name is Rohde Schwarz makes ideas real. Rohde and Schwarz making idea real. Signal and spectrum analysis. You can use this machine for the analysis of the signal and the spectrum. So if you want to do the analysis of the signal and the spectrum analysis, then you have to use this device, which is manufactured from Rohde and Schwarz. And look at the website. If you want to check out the website, you can check out the website of this particular thing as well. This is the website. So friends, you can see the website. This is the website. Entire information is available on the website. So those who are the student of signal processing unit, they can get into the Rohde and Schwarz company name, which is making ideas real. So this is another interesting article. Now let's take one more article. Smart patch monitors diabetic wounds to prevent amputation risk. So they are researcher. Let's read this article. So researcher at KAIST in collaboration with Korea Institute of Ceramic Engineering and Technology and Chungbuk National University have developed a self-regulating wearable OLED. So they have developed a OLED kind of patch that combines light therapy and controlled drug delivery, nearly doubling wound healing speed in preclinical test. So this is something related to biomedical. So the patch automatically adjusts antioxidant drug release in response to light intensity, helping maintain optimal treatment levels. So they are doing some treatment with the help of light, engineered by a team of Daejeon, South Korea. So this is again developed in South Korea. So you are coming some research article from the South Korea. So South Korea is advancing in terms of electronics. And you can see those who are related to biomedicals and the can find this article very interesting for the research purposes. And these are the photographs of the person who are involved in this research. The research article's name is Smart Patch Monitors Diabetic Wounds to Prevent Amputation Risk. See, some of the article I provide the details conversation. Some article I do not able to provide the detailed conversation. I'm able to read that article because it depends on person to person. Suppose my background is electronics and I'm particularly researching in the area of sensors. So whenever the article comes related to sensors, I'm an expert of I'm a practitioner of a sensor. So I can try to give information related to that. But sometimes the article comes related to different. Then I try to give the intuitive information, what I understood from that article. And if you try to follow what I said, if I try to follow what I said and try to follow what is written in the magazine, then you can have the ideas or the information by which you can apply into your research, and it will help to generate more information particular to your research and to your professional journey. That's what I'm trying to say. Now let's take one more article. Latest 3D chip stacking methods could extend Moore's law. So they are saying that Moore's laws can be extended, and Moore's law, everyone knows that is a famous law in electronics that the transistor get doubled after every 3 years, 2 years, or 18 months, something like that. So see this, they are showing the chips, number of the chips available in this particular area. So this is again advertisement from Josh Aerospace. It is a company in aerospace, India's fastest growing defense electronics company. So those who want to work in the area of aviation or aerospace, they can contact this company. That is the name is Josh Aerospace, which is India's fastest growing defense electronics company. So they are working in the sector of the defense. And if you want to apply for the sector of the defense, then you can go for this particular company. They provide a lot of solutions. They have been avionics, ATES, and test systems. So they are providing such kind of solution. And if you are in the field of avionics or aerospace, then you can go and contact this company that is known as joshaerospace.in. It's a website. The contact number are also available. You can take the screenshot of this and have the contact number. The marketing email ID is there, info email ID is there. You have the barcode as well. So if you want to be a part of avionics or aerospace or the defense, then you can contact this particular company. Now, care for tomorrow. It is another advertisement from Japan Unix. If you care for tomorrow, always master soldering with cut edge solution from Japan Unix today, tomorrow, and under any circumstances. So they are providing some soldering solution, robotic soldering and automation. So they are providing robotic soldering, laser, inline, desktop, horizontal, vertical, multiple joints. You can see it can work for multiple joints. It can use for single joint, laser, inline, desktop, horizontal. Depending upon the application, you can have any type of soldering or automation machine that can soldering and automation that can help you for soldering solution on your any chip or the device. So I think it's a lot of information available in this advertisement as well. So let's wind up the video, and we will review the the remaining magazine in the other parts, so that it will be more. I will continue in the second part with the research and innovation. And if you want to want the copy of this particular magazine, then you can comment to me or send me a mail on my email ID. I will definitely reply to that, and I'll try to give that copy to you. But those who are the subscriber of this magazine can get them this PDF copy free, and those who are not the subscriber cannot get the PDF. But if you demand me, I can give you the soft copy of this particular magazine. And friends, and all my dear students, those who are my past students, because I have some teaching experience also, and my colleagues, I would like to request, please try to read this magazine. This is a very authentic magazine. And if you do not read this magazine, just try to follow my video about the review of electronics for you for the July 2026 or the coming sections. Because if you try to read this magazine, then you will have a thorough knowledge about the electronics and the fundamental of electronics. So thanks for watching. Have a nice time. And I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.